Do you dream of marrying the person you love? Many of us have that special someone in our lives, and the thought of spending the rest of our days with them fills our hearts with joy. But sometimes, the path to a love marriage can be filled with obstacles and challenges, whether it's family opposition, societal pressures, or personal doubts. These hurdles can seem insurmountable. But don't lose hope. There are spiritual practices that can help you overcome these challenges and bring you closer to your dream of a love marriage. Here's a powerful wazifa that can bring your dreams closer to reality. Wazifas are special prayers or recitations from the Quran that are believed to have spiritual benefits. When performed with sincerity and faith, they can help you achieve your heart's desires. This particular wazifa is known for its effectiveness in matters of love and marriage. Watch till the end for a life-changing tip. The first step in this wazifa is to start with istikhara. Istikhara is a prayer for seeking guidance from Allah. It helps you make decisions that are in your best interest and align with Allah's will. Start with istikhara to seek Allah's approval and guidance. This is crucial because it ensures that your intentions are pure and that you are seeking a path that is best for you in the eyes of Allah. Istikhara is not just about asking for what you want, but also about being open to Allah's guidance, even if it leads you in a different direction than you initially hoped. Pray 2 rakats of nafil salah and ask Allah to guide you to what's best for you and your relationship. This prayer is a way to show your devotion and sincerity. It's a moment to connect deeply with Allah and express your heartfelt desires. Remember, the key is to pray with a clean heart and pure intentions. Perform istikhara before Fajr or Isha. These times are considered especially auspicious for prayers. The quiet and tranquility of these moments allow for a deeper connection with Allah. Make sure to perform this prayer consistently and with full concentration. Recite Surah Taha, verse 131, 132, after every salah. These verses are known for their calming and heart-softening effects. They help in creating an atmosphere of peace and understanding which is essential for a successful love marriage. This wazifa softens hearts and opens doors to ease in your love marriage. The power of these verses lies in their ability to bring tranquility and harmony into your life. When recited with faith, they can help in resolving conflicts and bringing people closer together. Recite with faith and focus on the meaning of the words. Understanding the meaning of the verses you recite adds depth to your prayers. It helps you connect with the words on a spiritual level, making your prayers more effective. Make dua after every salah. Dua is a powerful tool in seeking Allah's help and blessings. It's a direct line of communication with the Almighty, where you can pour out your heart and seek His guidance and support. Specifically recite, Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa duriyatina qurrata ayunin waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Surah Furqan 74. This dua is a beautiful supplication for righteous spouses and strong relationships. It asks Allah to grant us partners and offspring who will be the comfort of our eyes and make us leaders of the righteous. This dua is for righteous spouses and strong relationships. Daily zikr is powerful. Zikr, or the remembrance of Allah, is a practice that brings immense peace and blessings into your life. It keeps you connected to Allah and strengthens your faith. Recite Ya Wadud 100 times daily after Fajr or Maghrib. Ya Wadud is one of the names of Allah, meaning the most loving. Reciting this name invokes love and kindness between hearts, making it a powerful practice for those seeking love and harmony in their relationships. This name of Allah invokes love and kindness between hearts. The repetition of Ya Wadud helps in fostering a loving and compassionate environment, which is essential for a successful love marriage. Giving charity removes obstacles in life. Charity, or sadaqah, is a means of purifying your wealth and bringing blessings into your life. It's a way to show gratitude to Allah and help those in need. Set aside a small amount weekly and give it in the name of Allah for your marriage to succeed. Regular charity not only helps those in need but also brings immense blessings and removes obstacles from your path. Do this regularly for barakah, blessings, in your life. Consistency in your charitable acts ensures continuous blessings and keeps your intentions pure. Trust Allah's plan and stay consistent in your efforts. Patience and perseverance are key. Trust that Allah has a plan for you and stay committed to your prayers and good deeds. These wazifas will only work if you truly believe and pray with sincerity. Your faith and sincerity are what make these practices effective. Believe in the power of your prayers and trust in Allah's wisdom. Share this video with someone who might need hope, and let's spread positivity together. By sharing this knowledge, you can help others find hope and strength in their journey towards a love marriage. Let's create a community of support and positivity.